Well, I was sent this Munbyn 405B thermal printer, and they contacted me and asked me if I wanted to review it. And I said yes, because I use the Munbyn 403B. I mean, it's the thermal printer I use to print off my shipping labels, and when I make candles, I'm going to use that for my labels on my jars and my candle melts, you know. And if you make soap or, you know, any of that kind of stuff, or you're do baking and you want to put a little label on that, or lotions, there's all kinds of things you use labels for, that this would come in very handy. But I use my 403B a lot. Every package I send out, the shipping label is made with it. So of course I wanted to, you know, review this one. It's the latest one. So, and it comes with the label holder, and I had to buy on mine. I bought the label holder. This one comes with it. So I'm going to open this up, and I'm not going to go through every little thing that's unbox it right here in front of you. What I'll do is I'll turn it off and pull it all out and show it to you that way. This is the easy setup guide, and then down here's the label printer, and this is a little more explanation, a little thicker user manual, and I can see it does come with a C adapter also. So I'm going to turn off the video and unbox this and show it to you. Now I have everything pulled out of the box. This is what was in there. Here's your thermal printer. And by the way, this does have a removable head. Should something go wrong, instead of having to replace the whole thing, you can replace the thermal head on it. And I wanted to bring that to your attention, which the one I have doesn't do that. But I still love the way it works. And there's your power supply. And then here is what hooks up to your computer should you want to put it on the computer directly. It does Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. It does Bluetooth, so you don't have to really have this unless you want it. And then here is the paper holder, or the label holder. This I just snapped on there. That one I just snap on there. And it's adjustable to whatever size you have. Like I have some rounds, some 2x2 rounds. I have the rectangles. I have the shipping labels. And then they sent me a few labels to try out. And by the way, this one does print either, if you buy the special label, you know, you can print on with black and blue, and another label prints black and red. So it will print color. And I wanted to tell you about that too. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you my original Munbyn that I use every day. And then I'm going to disconnect it, and I'm going to get this one up and running. Right here on my desk is where I keep my printer, and it is Bluetooth to my computer, and I use Pirate Ship for my shipping, and this works really well with Pirate Ship. It's really easy. I pay for the label, hit print, make sure I've hit the Munbyn printer, and then I hit print, and it comes right out. And it's really fast. So now I am going to disconnect this one and connect the 405B. And here is the print head, should you have to remove it. I really need to do it with both hands. You just push in on this. Well, maybe I can get it up. There. And you can remove it and replace it. But that is the print head. Now I've got to get it back on there. It's kind of hard to do one-handed, so I'm going to shut it off. And then I'm going to come back, and I'm going to have a different label, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to feed through. Before I print something, I did want to show you just how easy this is to load. I'm just going to put this right there. And I've adjusted the little tabs right here. They pull out and in to the size that you have. I'll stick it in there. and it's adjusted, ready to go. And a lot of them will print an extra one out and it's waste, but this one pulls it out and pulls it right back in where it needs to go. Now I'm going to go to my computer and just show you how easy it is to print something out. Now I am in the Munbyn software, and I have that on my computer, and you can see there's all different kinds of templates. Right now I have the 2x2 brought up. There's your 6x4. There's all different kinds of things you can print, and all this is, you can choose fonts and change and put on there what you want. This is so handy. I mean, if you can and you want to label your jars, or you bake something and you want to put it on, put a label on it, make it look nice, or make candles, make lotion, make soap, whatever you do. I mean, this is really handy for a crafter. But I am going to choose the 2x2 because that's what I have loaded. 2x2. And this is one of my own, this is my logo here, and I'm going to print that out. So I'm going to go over here to print, confirm. I'm going to pair, and then I want Bluetooth because I'm not connected to my computer, and it already printed out as soon as I printed it. So I'm going to take and go back to my printer, and I'll hit this again and let you see how fast it is. All right, there is the one that I printed out, and I'll print one more out. Well, let's say I want more than that. Let's print another 3 out, because I can print as many as I want. And there it is. That's how fast and easy it is. All right, that's just how easy it is to use. And if you're thinking about getting one, check Munbyn out. I like it. I have one before, and now I have this one. So the link's down below. Just go click that link and check it out. So until the next one, guys, we'll see you later.